Looking for the best exterior paint for your home? Today we're breaking down Sherwin-Williams Emerald Exterior Paint, a top choice for premium exterior protection. Plus, we'll dive into the Rain Refresh technology. This helps to keep your painting job looking good without the extra maintenance. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert reviews, tips, and the latest painting innovations. If you're seeking the best exterior paint for durability, Sherwin-Williams Emerald Exterior should be toward the top of your list. This premium exterior paint is known for long-lasting protection against harsh weather, fading, and mildew growth. It's highly recommended by professionals for its ability to withstand the elements. So why is it so well regarded? Its advanced acrylic resin formula creates a tough, smooth finish that resists UV damage, mildew, and moisture. Whether it's residential or commercial use, it's built in to handle extreme weather conditions like rain, snow, and intense sun exposure. So the question would naturally come up, is exterior paint and interior paint the same thing and they just slap a different label on it? Here's the key differences. Exterior paints are designed to stand up against UV rays, rain, and temperature fluctuations, making it a super durable product for outdoor surfaces. In contrast, interior paints focuses a little more on smooth finishes, washability, and aesthetics without the need for extreme conditions. So can I use an exterior paint indoors? Here's why this might not be a very good idea. Exterior paints have stronger odors and a higher level of VOCs, which is not ideal for interior spaces. Similarly, indoor paints don't offer the same level of protection against fading and weathering because it lacks the additives necessary for UV resistance and moisture protection. So, in other words, don't mix them up. So let's go over some highlights of Sherwin-Williams Emerald Exterior. The main advantage of this product is its durability. It offers UV protection, ensuring that your paint job is going to last longer without fading. It also resists cracking and peeling, which are more common problems with lower quality paints. Second, we want to talk about the ease of application. Emerald Exterior, it goes on smoothly, oftentimes requiring fewer coats than other exterior products. It self-levels well, and this helps to reduce brush and roller marks. This makes it easier for both professionals and DIY painters to achieve a smooth, flawless finish. Another thing that we need to highlight is that Emerald Exterior is built with mildew resistance. This makes it a perfect product for areas with high humidity or frequent moisture exposure. Whether you live near the water or in a rainy region, this paint helps prevent mold and mildew growth. Another key benefit is its excellent coverage. The hiding power of Emerald Exterior, it means that fewer coats are needed. This can potentially save you both time and money. This is especially important for larger exterior painting projects, where reducing labor costs can make a significant difference. Now, we might be able to see so far that Sherwin-Williams Exterior, it really offers top-tier performance, but there are some negative factors that we need to consider before making a purchase. Arguably, one of the biggest downsides to this product is the price. Emerald Exterior is more expensive than a lot of other paints. This could be an obvious barrier to someone on a budget. However, the investment might be worthwhile when you consider the long-term durability and reduced need for maintenance. Another consideration is the drying time. It can take Emerald Exterior longer to dry when compared to other paints, especially in humid or cold conditions. For painters on a tight schedule, this could definitely be an issue. Checking the weather forecast is crucial before starting any painting project to make sure that you have adequate drying time. Another thing that we need to consider is that although Sherwin-Williams offers a wide range of colors, some users have noted that the color options for Emerald Exterior could be broader. This means that if you need a very specific custom color, you could potentially encounter some limitations when compared to other brands. Now, a few years ago, a jump in technology came out, and Sherwin-Williams came out with their Emerald Rain Refresh line. This is definitely a new feature that's making waves in the exterior painting industry. Rain Refresh helps to maintain your paint job by self-cleaning when it rains. This means dirt, dust, and grime are completely washed away, keeping your home's exterior looking fresh with little or no extra effort. This technology is a huge win for homeowners who live in areas that have frequent rainfalls, or for spots of your house that tend to get dirty easier, like areas next to a tree. The rain triggers the self-cleaning process, reducing the need for pressure washing or harsh chemical cleaners. The cons of Emerald Rain Refresh is its effectiveness over time. While the technology really does sound promising, it is still new, and some users report that its effectiveness might vary over time, particularly in drier climates where there's less rainfall. Another thing is that this technology is going to be more impressive in areas that get more rain. So if you live in a region where the rain is sporadic, this feature would obviously not be as beneficial to you. So is Sherwin-Williams Exterior Emerald Paint the right choice for your next project? If you're looking for premium protection, longevity, and top performance, it is definitely worth consideration. Just be aware of the higher price and the longer drying times, especially if you're a DIYer on a budget. And if you want to make your exterior even easier to maintain, Rain Refresh could be an absolute game changer. Now, we just talked about Sherwin-Williams Emerald Exterior, but how good is the interior version of this product? Well, wonder no longer and check out our next video, and in it we will break down the pros and cons of that product. Also, don't forget to subscribe. We have plenty more in-depth reviews, pro tips, and expert advice on both interior and exterior painting. If you've used Emerald Exterior or the Rain Refresh version, share your experiences and comments with us. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.